Hi, this is Bryan Perry. I'm the Export Director here at BEKA Connect, and it's my pleasure today to show you our product, the Eve. The Eve is the 2-in-1 bathing and shower lifter made for very discerning customers. The product is made out of aluminum and stainless steel. So, the great thing about the Eve is its low profile. The seat itself goes down to 49.5 centimeters, and it has an adjustable arm allowing the patients to easily get into the Eve. Also, the contour of the leg design allows the patients to sit in the Eve very easily without banging their feet. The Eve fits all modern care tubs. As you can see, it's very easily to position underneath the tub, and you can raise the tub and lower the Eve very easily. One great thing also about the Eve is it's 100% able to be used as a shower chair. So a lot of other shower chairs can only be sprayed on in the front, but with the Eve, because the battery is locked behind the door, it's waterproof. So you can use this not only in the bath, but also in a shower. So another great feature that the Eve has that a lot of our competitors do not have is that the seat cushion itself here is removable. In a lot of cases, the competitors have the seat cushion built into the frame. When they do that and there's a problem, you have to replace the whole framework. With us, you only have to replace the seat cushion. It's also great when you remove the seat cushion for cleaning and disinfecting. It's much, much easier. In addition to the seat cushion, the backrest can be put on either side of the Eve. So you can, depending on where the patient is sitting, you can have the backrest here, or you can have the backrest on this side, and it sits very snugly. So, like a lot of the BEKA lifts, we use the remote control here. The remote control feature is to raise and lower the Eve. Also shows you the state of the battery, as well as if it needs a service. In addition to the remote control, you also have two options. One, as you see here, is the option with a scale. So the product has a built-in scale where you can weigh your patients directly as they're being transferred. Okay? The scale will come to you calibrated in either kilos or in pounds, depending on what you need. So the last thing I want to show you is the battery. The battery is behind the compartment here. Basically, it's very simple. You open up the compartment and you can easily remove the battery. It's a Linac battery which fits all of our lifters, making it much easier for you and your customers when it comes time to recharge it. So if the battery is very low, but the battery on another lifter is fine, you can remove it and put it onto here very easily. Battery slips into place very simply, and when you open the door, the lights go off as well, so the power is dead. Great safety feature. So you close the battery case, and now you have a fully functional shower chair. So that's it from me today. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me or anybody on our team, and we'll get back to you right away. Thank you so much.